Yo, what's poppin'? It's The Game, and you are now locked in to Gearshift TV.
What's up? This is Clint Portis. You're watching Gearshift.tv.
Hi, I'm Gilbert Gottfried, and you're watching Gearshift.tv.
This is Ray Lewis. You're watching Gearshift TV.
Hi, this is Alex Sebastian. You watch Gearshift TV. Edison Motors, your job, you're created. Edison Motors, your job, you're created. Ford Hondas, Chevy Beamers, and minivans. Over 600 cars, trucks, subs. Are you listening, man? Can you give me some shots vodka, please? It's gonna be on YouTube for sure. For sure, man. I'm gonna kill you.
The year was 1996. An American government teacher from H.D. Woodson Senior High School saw a problem and wanted to do something about it.
I never thought about survival and being alive as a goal. My first year here at H.D. Woodson High School, I went to 11 funerals of my students. I'd never been to a funeral in my life.
Back in elementary, I thrived on misery. Left me alone, I grew up amongst a dying breed. Inside my mind, couldn't find a place to rest until I got that Doug like tatted on my chest.
A lot of people in my family, in my neighborhood, didn't have a career or didn't have a career that one would like to probably speak of or speak of highly.
She recognized a need to ensure students who worked hard amidst social, economic, and racial disparities the opportunity to excel in college and in the workforce. So Susie decided to make a difference that continues to impact the lives of DC's youth over a decade later.
Nobody should ever be made to feel less than because of their economic situation, because of their lot in life.
Susie founded the Hoop Dreams Scholarship Fund, an organization that has helped hundreds of DC public high school students accomplish their dreams of college and career success through a combination of mentoring, college and SAT preparation, internships, and academic scholarships.
I'm involved in an awful lot of charities, national charities, regional charities, and local charities. And Hoop Dreams has become one of my favorite because I've seen it work day to day in action.
I always say it's easy to give money. It's harder to give time and energy. And what the people who are associated with Hoop Dreams do is provide that time and energy that is essential to the success of our children.
Slightly, bro. Don't wanna fight me, bro. I'm fast as lightning, bro. You better use your Nikes, bro.
North Beach leathers, matching Gucci sweater, Gucci sneaks on to keep my outfit together. Whatever, 100 for the diamond chain. Can't you tell that I came from the dope game? Blame Reagan for making me to a monster. Blame Oliver North and I ran Contra. I ran contraband that they sponsored. Before this rhyming stuff, we was in concert.
You know you want some more, girl, so come on. Can I get my thrills? You know you want some more, girl, so come on. Let's get low. Let's get low.
Just looking.
Well, if you had to pick it, oh, sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I knocked your battery out, man. You can actually go ahead and put it back in there. You can ask your question a little bit. I'm kind of a little bit nervous before every game, but I mean, not to a point where I can't, physically think right or, that's making me unfocused.
I did what I wanted to do, make a name for myself. I'm in history for the longest time ever.
gonna make sure I go tease him. I'm gonna find out what it was.
I'm used to being in the locker room with him, messing around with him, but it's different now, so we're just gonna go out there and try to win.
Material world, Venus, Serena, my cereal girls. What you know about having dinner on a jet? Make it back before the DJ's finished with his set. Now they call me the Birdman when them dogs are jaw. Ghost ride the whip like I'm from Oakland, y'all.
Come down and wash it all away. Baptized in black light. Good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it.
I won my Emmy. The Maryland Public Television hired me actually to produce a segment for a youth special, and our beautiful video was submitted. Basically, the video talked about different foods that youth and children should eat and how to stay nutritious.
Video is important because it can be a great marketing tool. I mean, not everyone needs to use video, but for businesses nowadays that want to market their services, they ought to think about using video, especially against their competition that probably doesn't have it.
What is the estate planning document you cannot live without? Well, obviously everybody knows they gotta have a will. But
the realness of like what I do, you know, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you regardless, you know, I'm not for the sugarcoat. This is how it was, man. This is how we was. What's up, man? What up, baby? You good? All the kids out here pretty much doing the same thing I was doing when I was growing up. You know what I'm saying? And to where I'm at right now, man, it's a blessing.
Trash stack movement and laugh at rap cats who think it's amusement. I've heard that my image needs a touch up. Those who said stop cursing, I told shut the fuck up. That's who I am. I'm a buy car that cost an arm and a leg and then tear off your limbs. So
bit like LeBron, ball like LeBron. This your boy 2 Chainz. Gearshift TV, you already know. 16 in this bitch. Down here in Alabama. Buying up all the yak out the hair stove, all the wigs I can motherfucking get my hands on, cause we snatching out tracks tonight, you understand me? And it's going digital, nigga. Much love. Duffel Bad Boys, the only movement moving. You feel me? 2 Chainz.
First thing I got from my marketing director is, do you want to go horseback riding, shoot skeet, or do you want to golf? I'm like, really? I said, that's great. So yeah, I attend a lot of conferences throughout the year as the VP of sales. So this has definitely had a nice twist to it, very accommodating not only to the sponsors here, okay, but to all the Broadsoft family and members that own the product.
You know, we're hoping that the Broadsoft channel represents about 20 to 30%
of our sales over the next 5 years. So from our perspective, we have.
It feels great to be celebrating the 10th year of BroadSoft Connections. It's been a great run. Customers love it, partners love it. They've wonderful networking. On to the next 10 years.
Vice President of Marketing.
I'm a Senior Sales Engineer.
Associate Operations Engineer.
And I am the HR Generalist.
Project Manager.
Manager of Corporate Events and Communications.
I'm currently interning.
The culture of Clarabridge is one of a passion for innovation, for figuring out how to create efficiency.
People always ask me, why do I get bunions and how do I treat them? Well, let me give you a little insight on this topic. A bunion is a bad alignment of your great toe joint, and it's usually caused by genetics. It's probably not your shoe that caused it. It's a large bump that develops on the inside of your foot, and it rubs on your shoes. This is what causes it to be painful.
Hi, my name is Rachel Renee Russell, and I'm one of the best-selling children's authors in the United States. Well, probably the world. But my life wasn't always like this. My family and I have always been a little different. Yeah, kind of dorky. I guess you could say we walked to the beat of a different drummer. But we tried our best to fit in. Yep, a publishing company actually wanted my book. And to my shock and surprise, it landed on the New York Times bestsellers list. And it stayed there like forever. I went from unemployed to an international best-selling author almost overnight. And my horror story turned into an exciting rags to riches Cinderella story. Now, my life's a fairy tale, complete with a new castle. And every day, I'm living my happily ever after.
Upgrade your vehicle or just go for your dream car at Easterns.com.
Is Garen Austin. At the Fairfax Video Studio, we have a wide variety of spokesmodels ready to represent your business or service in professional quality videos. The Fairfax...
this ain't even my dream. That was my dream. I failed at my dream. I wanted to play in the National Football League. I failed at it. Fell into coaching because I love the game. Isn't it funny how God worked, man? I just kept my head down, kept working. I channeled my energy that I put into playing into coaching.
In my mind, I felt like even if football didn't work out, if the NFL wasn't an option, if I graduated with a piece of paper from Rutgers, I felt like that was gonna set me up for life after, just because I had that in my back pocket. They can't take that from me.
Did you know people used to send squirrels out to find the best places to live?
Wow, this house is nuts.
And did you know long fence decks are built to last?
This deck is nuts too.
That's why more people are nuts about decks by long fence. See ya!
Hey, Snowstem, what are we gonna do? I don't know. You know, the winter cold really sucks the life out of us. We're freezing our asphalt off.
Yeah, those icicles and ice dams make me leak like a faucet.
And these blotches and stains will get worse. Doesn't the homeowner know I hate the cold?
Another harsh winter is here. Better call Long Roofing now and get a new roof for just $99 a month.
We build trust and peace of mind into every Long Roofing roof.
Hey, we're freezing our asphalt off.
One of the greatest moments in time is when we discovered fire. Fire is a crucial human advantage, a source of food, warmth, and protection from predators. Only the most innovative can survive.
If you can't, we can.
If you can't, we can. Michael and Son.
If you can't, we can.
If you can't, we can. Michael and Son.
Yeah. So I think, the core thing in our mission statement is get shit done, right? And it's a little bit bold, especially in the space that we're in. We do a lot of government work, and the word shit might offend people, but it is to set us apart, right? We're different from most companies. We're willing to bend the rules a little bit, be a little bit more bold, but that's ultimately to help you get over barriers and get stuff done.
Get ready to buy more and save more during Ashley's Veterans Day sale. Let's honor those who've served our country. Through November 11th, enjoy savings up to $1,000 store-wide. From classic to contemporary, we've got something for everyone.
Are you looking to sell your home fast without the hassle of traditional methods? Look no further than Express Home Buyers. Call us today at 1-800-SELL-TO-US for a fair cash offer and skip the lengthy showings and costly repairs. Our process is quick, easy, and designed to put cash in your pocket faster. With Express Home Buyers, you get a straightforward sale and peace of mind. Don't wait.
Express Home Buyers, we buy your house in 7 days.
Most of our clients that are getting turf have a dog and they have kids on some sort of technology and they want the kids outside. So we have to make that inviting for them. It could be sinking down a trampoline in the middle of the turf. It could be bocce. It could be cornhole. It could be a putting green. It could be anything you want. The rolls come in 15 feet by 100. And usually they go left, right, left, right. And every 15 feet you have a seam. But you can cut in putting greens, you can cut in taller grass. We're putting in a soccer field for a guy next month. So every job is custom and it really depends on what your family wants to do back there.
¿Sabías que Ashley te da la opción de alquilar y ser dueño a largo plazo? estás esperando? Refresca tu espacio y enamórate de nuevo de tu hogar. Si tienes mal crédito o estás restableciendo tu crédito, Ashley tiene planes de pago asequibles que se adaptan a cualquier presupuesto. Ashley, inspirando el amor al hogar.
When you come into a Be Thrifty store, you're going to see hundreds of thousands of high-quality products at very affordable prices. You're going to be happy, amazed, cool, a collector, a treasure hunter. And because all of our stores add thousands of items daily, you can be something new every day.
Huge selections, huge savings. Be Thrifty.
Welcome, DEI ambassadors. I'm glad you're here. I want to say thank you for volunteering your time to help demonstrate Beacon's values to put people first and do the right thing by advancing a culture of diversity, equity, and inclusion. As a DEI ambassador, your role has meaningful impact. By sharing the FYI on DEI monthly report, as created by the DEI Council, you are not only giving team members a brief lesson in DEI, but more importantly, you are creating a ripple effect of awareness.
One of the most important weekends to Washington, for sure.
You know what? It's always good to kind of get away from the stations that we work for, the publications that we work for, and kind of get out and be around other people that do what we do, or just, you know, just be out enjoying Washington, D.C. and all of its splendor.
I think it'll be something different this year and something more meaningful.
Celebration of journalism and of journalists who do the hard work every single day.
As a journalist, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to cover an administration like this because it's not the same old thing. It's something different all the time. And as a journalist, you want to learn from that, and you want to grow, and you want things that are different and more challenging all the time.
Wizard is having a deck restoration sale. If your deck looks old and worn out, the Deck Wizard will make it look new again, like magic. We have 3 options to choose from. Sand and restore your existing deck, revitalize and replace your old deck boards with new wood, or upgrade with maintenance-free composite decking. Call Deck Wizard now at 877-DECK-WIZ and we'll take 50% off materials. And we'll add a second color to your rails absolutely free. Call now.
Ford, Honda, Chevy, Beamers, and minivans over 600.
Easterns Automotive Group is a local, family-owned business.
Selling cars to the hard-working men and women of DC, Maryland, and Virginia.
Go to Easterns.com to see how they've grown for the last 30 years.
Hey, it's Nikki Nellis. I'm back, and you know what that means, so it's Fairfax City Restaurant Week. Now, I know a thing or two about the food scene, and that's why I'm so proud to work with Fairfax City Restaurant Week. Seriously, the most globally diverse dining scene in the region. You can find everything from Azerbaijani cuisine to the taste of Vietnam. Go fancy with a 3-course dinner, or just drop by for bubble tea and all the pastries, and you can get that to go. Mark your calendar, make a res. It's all happening March 6th through March 12th, and let's take a bite out of Fairfax City.
Do it like that, push it like that, making it fast, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like that, move it like that, like it like. Do it like that, push it like that, making it fast, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like that, move it like that, like it like that. Like that, like that. Do it like that, do it like that, that. Like that, like that. Do it like that, that. So I let go. You know I thank God sun rises and shines on you. You know there's nothing, nothing, nothing I would not do. Oh, before I let you go. Baby, I like it so.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Solo quiero
Party, 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 party.
Yo, 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 yo. Ay, se miró al espejo y vio que está bueno todo. Vio que está bueno todo y quiere perrear y coger una nota. Yo te azoto esa nalgota cuando tú quieras. Puesto pa' tus bellaqueras y perreártela la noche entera. Solo abren la cartera, nos fuimos sin que nadie viera. Baby.
This is Adrian Peterson, and you're locked into Gearshift.tv. Yeah.
I grew up in Washington, D.C. I went to Theodore Roosevelt Senior High School, graduated in 2007. That just dated me a little bit. But, and I attended college at Virginia State University. I found my passion in college. I kind of knew that I wanted to be in the media world, kind of, sort of, but when I went to college, found people like myself, I ended up being able to find passion in what I was doing and what I was learning.
Hi, my name is Gitika Gorthy, and I go to Chantilly High School. My whole life I have loved Star Trek. I live by the motto, things are impossible until they're not. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. As a first-generation student in America, education has been prevalent throughout my life.
Welcome to Bear Banter here at Highside. My name's Yannick, and we also have
Jack.
And today what we're doing, we have some brown paper bag bear. And what I mean by that is we have some stuff that we got out of the grocery store. Jack or I don't have any idea what's in these glasses.
I'm a side sleeper.
I'm definitely a stomach sleeper, but I'm hoping that after this, I'll be able to become more of a back sleeper.
Hi, welcome to Metro Storehouse. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
So tell me, as a professional athlete, you get the best training and the best nutrition and the best equipment. How does sleep factor into all of that?
I've always firmly believed that the best games I've played have always been the week where I got the most rest and the most sleep.
We feel like the best method is a combination of resistance training, functional training, and cardiovascular training. So you do the resistance training because we know that's tried and true to build muscle. Everybody needs lean muscle because that's what burns the fat. The functional training teaches your brain how to use all that new muscle so you can function better, not only in the gym, but out there, and that's what's most important.
Here at Michael & Son, we heard that having animals at the office can reduce stress and increase productivity. So we started a Bring Your Pets to Work Day. Turns out, it wasn't quite what we had imagined. So, maybe we shouldn't have pets at the office, but we can help animals find a new home. In fact, for the rest of the month, we will donate a portion of every heat and air tune-up to Saving Grace Animal Shelter. Call us today.
Michael and Son.
If you can't, we can, honey.
It's a Super League, and Super Leaguey now. Super League, and Super Leaguey now.
With convenient online scheduling, Michael & Son has got you covered. With 24/7 emergency service, no matter how big or small the problem is.
You can't, then we can. The Michael and Son plumbing team.
Going into round 8, the fight is on.
I can't do it.
Here we go. Manila Gorilla is taking this fight. Uh-oh, someone's getting into the ring. That's Mike Tyson.
If you can't, we can.
If you can't, we can. Michael and Son.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
They're setting up the flag now.
Houston, we have a problem. We can't do it. Who in the world is that?
They've got the flag up now.
If you can't, we can.
If you can't, we can. Michael and Son.
Hey, is that Ryan Kerrigan? Yeah, what's up?
Wow, you guys got a lot of great looking food from Paisanos. You did use the Paisanos Rewards program, right?
It's not rocket science. That's a win-win deal.
So, can I have a slice?
Can you do your taco celebration?
No problem, but first I'll tackle this.
Ryan!
Paisanos!
Get our Paisanos Game Day BOGO. Buy one, get one free.
Paisanos Pizza Night. deliver more taste for everybody. Pizza Police, Pizza Police, Pizza Police.
All our pizzas are made with fresh dough, fresh cheeses, and fresh toppings. And we deliver more taste with our signature subs, amazing wings, delicious pastas, and fabulous desserts.
We deliver more taste for everybody. Pizza Police, Pizza Police, Pizza Police.
Download our app for exclusive offers.
Start your weight loss journey today with Persona Doctors. Reprogram your body to reduce your appetite, boost energy, and burn fat. Start now and receive the experience that gets the results you're looking for, guaranteed.
When I think about the world today, with all of its problems and all of the complex, seemingly unsolvable issues that are going on all around us, I think to myself, how can I make a difference? What gets me up and going in the morning is the challenge that each of my cases poses to me, the challenge to build them the right way.
We are a smaller team. We only have 4 of us here, but I think that works better in the long run. The 4 of us collaborate really well together. We're tight-knit, and we all have different ideas of how to approach problems and different thought processes, so we can provide a better client experience.
Welcome to Radley Acura and Karen Radley Acura, your go-to dealerships located in Northern Virginia. Whether you're in the market for a brand new vehicle or a pre-owned certified option, we've got you covered. With an extensive inventory, we have something for everyone. From the bustling streets of DC to the vibrant city of Richmond, there is no better place to buy than Radley Acura in Falls Church or Karen Radley Acura in Woodbridge. Visit us today and let us show you why we're the best choice for all your automotive needs.
3 levels and over 4,000 square feet. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home has all the amenities buyers are asking for. Located in the Mount Vernon area of Fairfax County, new owners will be strategically located between DC and Fort Belvoir. Typically, when people come and see a real estate agent, they come to us confused. They think they're looking for one thing, but in actuality, it's something completely different. And typically, it boils down to one of 3 major buckets: price, location, or style.
Today we're actually installing ductile iron pipes in the Ford's Theater project for Schnabel as we're working for Consigli. The project is going to be 15,000 square feet of exhibit space that's going to be a multi-use facility that's going to have some office space as well as mixed use with some living quarters. But most of this is going to bring historical significance to the area.
VTA Valet is just a very convenient service that's now being offered by Virginia Tire and Auto. You can call ahead or go to VTAValet.com to schedule a drop-off, and they will bring a loaner car to your house, pick up your car that needs service, go get it worked on, fix it, and bring it back to you. And your schedule never has to be interrupted. And for a guy like me, in the middle of the football season, that's everything to me. And so for only $15, I can have them give me a loaner car. I never am interrupted. I can get ready for the next game, and next thing I know, my van or my other cars are back in my driveway, safe and ready to drive to the next game. So it's such a blessing to have that VTA Valet service ready at my beck and call.
Every single day, we prepare everything in our store. Ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, green peppers, and cucumbers, hand-chopped every morning. No shortcuts. No prepackaged produce, just real ingredients prepared fresh for you.
So, what makes Paisanos different from everyone else?
Our chicken, real, never processed, grilled to order.
Our dough, made fresh daily, no shortcuts, just quality.
Our cheese, 100% fresh mozzarella, crafted by Wisconsin master cheesemakers. No blends, no fillers. Our fresh Ovalini mozzarella is all natural and free of added whiteners.
Our pasta, made to order, sauteed in extra virgin olive oil.
At Paisanos, we cook in beef tallow. It's clean, natural, and makes for the crispiest, most flavorful food.
No seed oils, just pure flavor. Everything we do is fresh, from our dough to our cheese to our toppings, because at Paisanos, quality matters. We do things the right way. Because at Paisanos, you can taste the difference.
Jimmy, what's up, man? I've been hanging out with your dad. It's like our 4th year together. He's great. I just want to tell you to keep staying motivated, honestly. Continue to work hard and do the little things that other people don't want to do. No matter what you choose to do, whether it's sports, whether it's business, you got to be able to outwork people if you want to get to where you want to get to. I'm not just saying that because of who I am, but I know that to be true. So continue to work hard, continue to chase your dreams, man, and anything's possible.
And now, WUSA 9 Sports with Darren Haynes.
For almost 2 decades, Eastern Motors has featured some of the biggest star athletes in the Washington, D.C. area. And today, Commander star Terry McLaurin is the main talent.
I think you got me a little reminder.
For 17 years, if you've seen an Eastern Motors commercial, you've seen a star athlete, like Commander star Terry McLaurin.
I've been doing this since I first got to the DMV. Working with the Eastern Motors team has been really fun.
Eastern Motors. Eastern Motors has featured athletes like Ray Lewis and Alex Ovechkin.
Eastern Motors, your job, your credit.
They work with some of the biggest people that have come through the DMV and some of the biggest entertainers, and to be someone they want to continually work with, I think it's extremely humbling.
Now, last year, Terry had 2 of his teammates. Eastern Motors. It's Curtis Samuel and Antonio Gibson. But this year, whoa, Terry has the lead role.
It's volunteer-based, almost 100%. And it starts with a gift. The woman who's donating a wig is gifting it and paying it forward to help somebody else on their journey when she has just finished hers.
eBeauty is just an amazing thing. They offer wigs at no cost to these women.
What's so good about it is they were providing wigs to those of us who have lost hair.
That first treatment, my head was bald. A little bit of shedding going on, but this is my 4th treatment, so it's coming out a little bit.
And when your hair starts coming out, it's actually the first visible sign that you're really ill and that you're going through treatment.
When you have less hair, it comes in very different. You may have bald spots and whatever. That's a driving force to say, let me get a wig that is fit for me, that's cut and so forth.
A nice wig, and they did my makeup, which is beautiful makeup on, so.
There's different stations that are set up there. One is for nails. Again, something that probably a lot of people take for granted, but I lost my nails during chemo. So just having someone pamper and take enough time to really just show some love to my fingers, which hasn't received that in a really, really long time.
So today's event is sort of the kickoff for the University of Maryland Cancer Center. So what we did, we picked some patients that are newly diagnosed, and we did a whole makeover, partnered with Hope Connections, which is a free resource center for cancer support, and Paul Mitchell, as well as eBeauty providing the free wigs and the gift bag. We provided lunch, which was an opportunity for all these women to meet and join each other in support getting through breast cancer. But they're also able to meet a lot of us survivors to give them spirit and strength to move forward.
Today we're here at the GF Academy at the Beacon Roofing Supplies in Manassas, Virginia. This is the Build University Academy that we prepare for the girls. These girls are from Manassas Park, and in conjunction with National Women Roofing, several contractors, and Beacon, we are doing this today. This is a week-long class, so they've been here since Monday. They are learning how to install steep slope roofing, all the components. They're installing shingles now. They're almost done with their activity for today. We'll get lunch, do headshots for the girls.
It turns out that the roofing industry needs roofers, and in the roofing industry as a whole, there are very few women roofers, and very few women are exposed to roofing. This industry is growing and growing for women, so we thought it was a good place to start, was to introduce people to roofing and give them a week-long education about how to actually install a roof.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty gon' give me your lo, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now in my fine situation, I go use they tell I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. Who you gonna phone for one? When you know I come for one, then I start to feel a bum bum one. But she dey give me small small one. I know say she sabi pass it down one one. But she feeling insecure one, cause her friends go they go my light ring go on, go they go my light ring go on. Baby calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life.
Today, it gives me immense pleasure to celebrate and recognize this year's outstanding employees. Some of the best and brightest, those who exemplify the excellence that Acuma is known for.
In the previous 3 videos, we've covered the new features and functions of the 2024 ID4 Pro trims equipped with the 82 kilowatt-hour battery. But we need to reiterate, almost none of these apply to the 2024 ID4 Standard, or S, the trims equipped with the 62 kilowatt-hour battery.
Hola, soy Sean McDevitt, director de Recursos Humanos de Beacon. A finales del 2024 solicitamos tu opinión en nuestra encuesta Beacon Has Your Back, y la cumplieron. Sus voces importan y agradecemos a todos los que participaron. Gracias a ustedes obtuvimos una confirmación valiosa e información sobre lo que está funcionando bien.
At Karen Radley Volkswagen, we strive to create unforgettable experiences for our valued customers. Located in Northern Virginia, our dealership proudly serves clients from DC to Richmond. With a wide range of Volkswagen vehicles, from slick sedans to versatile SUVs, we have something for everyone. Our dedicated team is committed to delivering exceptional service, and our goal is to exceed your expectations. Visit us today to discover the Karen Radley Volkswagen difference. Memories are made here.
Coach Boudreau back with the action alongside Slapshot, and what a privilege it is to watch pros in action. You said it, Slapshot. Let's go to Thompson Creek's local factory where they have been making beautiful windows to exactly fit your home for over 44 years. Smoke and Al, does it get any better than that?
Chris, what's the plan for this month?
It's our biggest sale of the year. 25% off all our windows and doors.
Thompson Creek, the official window and door partner of the Washington Capitals.
Hello, CEOs. Thank you for joining our annual Code of Conduct training. Ethics remain core here at Zora. Ethics is about doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. It forms the foundation of trust, integrity, and respect.
Pizza Boli's introduces a Super Boli's Ultimate Game Day Feast. Get 2 large one-topping pizzas and 18 jumbo wings for just $49.99. Perfect for feeding your crew on game day. Don't miss out on this unbeatable deal. Big game, big flavor at pizzabolis.com.